Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the tidbits of knowledge, information, and wisdom that come up during workshops and courses. I hope you enjoy.
And remember what I always have said at the beginning of this course, at the beginning of any of the IEM treatments, and I say it all the way through, we are not creating our competitors. We are creating a community of collaboration. There are enough wounded people in the world. There will be enough clients for everyone. And if we ever get to a point where we don't need healers anymore because 7 billion people are healed, good. Yes. We'll go do something else. Worrying about the competition is lack consciousness. Yeah. Right? There's plenty. Now, if you're in a situation where the last loaf of bread on the shelf is really the last loaf of bread, that's a whole different scenario. We don't live in a society like that. We don't. There's so much opportunity where we live. We need to embrace that. Not make ourselves poor, and I don't mean that monetarily necessarily, although the poor healer is a syndrome that I'd really love to see eradicated completely, like the starving artist. It's, if we want to believe this, that we have chosen to be here in Canada in 2017 as women in BC on Vancouver Island, where everything that we need is available to us and we have the opportunity to have everything that we need. Why would we say no to that? Why wouldn't we embrace everything that is available to us? Why would we continue to stay small and make ourselves less when we have so much opportunity to make ourselves more? And then we can give back more and help those people who may not have as much as we do. Right? That would be the unselfish why at that point. So I feel personally that we owe it to ourselves and we owe it to our clients and we owe it to our community and our culture and our time to step into our empowerment, our authenticity, and our abilities and our gifts and ask for and receive the value of what it is that we are bringing to the world. And all of this talk and rhetoric and getting yourselves caught up in, but what if it's too much? What if it's not enough? What if I'm charging too much? What if I'm not? Just put that down. What are you worth? Right? What is your worth? Your work is not your worth. Your wounding is not your worth. Your experience, your beautiful, beautiful souls, your gorgeous creativity, that's your worth. Quite frankly, it's priceless. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.